Item accounts. When you are creating items, you can link sales account and purchases account. If you haven't linked any sales account, when you are generating profit and loss report, it will display sales as one line. If you want to view item-wise sales, you can create new sales account. And when you are selling those items, it will automatically update the profit and loss report. Now for an example, we have software and we have computer equipment. When you are creating computer equipment, you can select sales account as computer equipment, and when you are selling softwares or when you are creating softwares, you can select accounting software. Like that, you can link that sales account, and when you are generating your profit and loss report, those items will display separately. You can create item accounts from Accounts, List, Item Accounts. Click Add an account. You can enter the name. Select report group type, whether it's sales or purchases. You can save. Like that, you can create sales account and purchases account. After you create accounts, you can view item accounts. You can view item account name and type. You can view number of accounts. You can search accounts. You can filter accounts. You can export this item accounts to CSV file. And if you want to do any modification by clicking actions, and you can edit or delete the item accounts. We will discuss another example. Assume you are running a hotel and you are selling rooms and food and beverage. In profit and loss report, you want to identify what are the accommodation income and what are food and beverage income. For that requirement, when you are creating rooms, you can link sales account as accommodation income, and when you are creating food and beverage items, you can link F&B income. From that, when you are generating profit and loss report, you can view accommodation income separately, food and beverage income separately.